All right, so we're diving into the world of meme coins today. Those cryptocurrencies that started as a joke.
Yeah, it's a wild world, isn't it?
Absolutely. And we've got some research from Evelian.ai that suggests things are about to get even wilder, especially with the U.S. elections right around the corner. It seems like investors are looking for, well, maybe a little excitement.
It's a fascinating dynamic, right? You have these digital assets often tied to internet memes, and they're reflecting a shift in, well, in how people view value and online communities.
Totally. Like we're seeing this surge of interest, but Emilian.ai also highlights the volatility of it all. I mean, meme coins are exciting, but they can be risky.
Oh, absolutely. High risk, high reward. Things can change so quickly in this market.
Yeah, it really is like the Wild West of finance, where like a single tweet can send prices skyrocketing or plummeting.
It's true. And speaking of tweets, we can't talk about meme coins without mentioning the OG, the one that started it all. Dogecoin, still going strong, with a 40% increase last month.
Yeah, it's impressive. But what's interesting is that Dogecoin is becoming more than just a meme, right? It's being integrated into major platforms, actually being used for transactions.
That's key. When you see big companies accepting Dogecoin, it kind of gives legitimacy to the whole meme coin concept. And of course, we can't forget about Elon Musk.
Right. His tweets have definitely had an impact on Dogecoin's price, for better or worse.
It's a perfect example of how influential figures can, really move the market in the crypto world.
But let's move on to another meme coin that's been making headlines. Pepe, the frog-themed coin. Seems like it's poised for, like, explosive growth.
Pepe is a great example of a community-driven project. They've got some really cool features like staking, which allows holders to basically lock up their coins to earn rewards.
So there's some actual utility behind it, not just a funny image.
Exactly. And then there are the NFT collections and frequent burn events.
Right, burning tokens to decrease the supply and, potentially increase the value of the remaining ones.
Precisely. It's a tactic we're seeing more and more in the meme coin space.
Okay, so we've got Dogecoin, the pioneer, and Pepe, the community darling.
Hmm.
But now, let's talk about Dog with Hat, a Solana-based meme coin with a name that's impossible to forget. This one has seen a mind-blowing 1,300% rise recently.
What's interesting about Dog with Hat, or YOF as it's also known, is that it's leveraging the power of the Solana ecosystem. Solana is known for its speed and low transaction fees, and YF is, well, it's taking advantage of that. They've even introduced something called hat staking.
Okay, hat staking. Now I have to ask, what is that?
It's a twist on traditional staking, so instead of just locking up your YF tokens, you're also locking up these special NFTs called hats.
Interesting. So it's like adding another layer to the staking game.
Exactly, and these hats come with various benefits, increase your staking rewards. It's a clever way to gamify things and keep the community engaged.
It seems like meme coin developers are getting really creative. And it looks like Dogwifat is also partnering with some DeFi projects. Can you tell us more about DeFi? I think some people might not be familiar with that term.
Yeah, DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It's a system of financial applications built on blockchain technology with the goal of creating a more open and accessible financial system. It's a really exciting area in the crypto world right now.
So by partnering with DeFi projects, Dogwifat is trying to, position itself as more than just a meme, but as part of this bigger decentralized financial movement.
Exactly. It adds more utility to the coin and could potentially attract a wider audience. But now let's talk about, well, the cat that became a coin.
Remember Popcat, the meme with that adorable cat and the popping mouth? Well, believe it or not, that viral clicking game turned into a cryptocurrency. A perfect example of internet culture colliding with, with the blockchain. And it all started with a picture of a cat named Oatmeal.
I mean, it's just crazy how a simple image could, capture the world's attention like that.
You had people, like, clicking nonstop to make Oatmeal pop, countries competing for the highest click count. It was a massive internet phenomenon.
And it just shows how, memes can tap into something universal, something that resonates across cultures and languages.
And that viral sensation, well, it created the perfect opportunity for Popcat, the cryptocurrency.
Yeah, late 2023, Popcat, or Pocat as it's known, was born.
But they didn't just, stop there, They built a whole ecosystem around the original clicking game. Play-to-earn games, and you can even earn rewards just by interacting with the Popcat website.
So smart.
Yeah, it's like they're, rewarding you for participating in the meme.
Exactly. And it gives people a reason to, hold on to the Pocat token beyond just, speculation. Keeps the community engaged.
And it's working. Pocat hit an all-time high of $1.81 recently.
Wow. Did you ever think you'd see the day when, like, a cat meme would be worth actual money?
Honestly. Yeah. But here we are, and it just goes to show how unpredictable the crypto market can be, especially when it comes to meme coins.
Absolutely. Anything is possible, right?
Speaking of unpredictable, remember Shiba Inu, the meme coin that was dubbed the Dogecoin killer? It's still holding its own, even with all this new competition.
You know, Eshi is a great example of how a meme coin can, like, evolve beyond that initial hype. They've got Shiba Swap, their decentralized exchange, and Shibarium, which is, their layer 2 scaling solution. And NFT project.
The 3,700% increase year to date, that's not bad.
Not bad at all. And one of the things they've been focusing on lately is burning mechanisms, destroying a portion of the SHA tokens in circulation to potentially increase the value of the remaining ones.
Right. That's a tactic we've seen with other meme coins,
Yeah.
often driven by the community.
Exactly. The community's not just holding, they're actively, shaping the future of the coin.
So we've got Dogecoin, Pepe, Dog with Hat, even Popcat, the Clicking Cat. But there are tons of other meme coins out there. It can be overwhelming, How do you even make sense of it all?
Well, it's definitely a lot to take in, but I think one of the most important things is to, look beyond the meme. Consider the tech behind it, the team behind the project.
So it's not all about the hype.
Hype definitely plays a role in the short term, but for a meme coin to have, staying power, it needs more than just a catchy name or a funny picture. It needs utility, a strong community, and a clear vision for the future.
So what should people look out for when they're, exploring meme coins? Any red flags?
A big one is lack of transparency. If you can't find info about the team, the development plans, that's a concern. Another red flag, unrealistic returns. You know the saying, if something sounds too good to be true.
It probably is.
Yes.
Like any investment, do your due diligence.
Exactly. And remember, the meme coin market is very speculative. Prices can change quickly, and there's always the risk of, losing your investment.
Speaking of new investments, there's a new meme coin making waves, Myro. Predictions are swirling that it could reach a $1 billion market cap.
Myro's interesting. They're tapping into meme creation with this meme to earn concept. Users can earn tokens by creating and sharing memes.
So they're turning meme creation into a side hustle? That's pretty cool.
And it looks like they're focusing on a community-driven approach. They've implemented deflationary tokenomics, similar to what we've seen with Pepe and Shiba Inu.
Deflationary tokenomics, so the supply of tokens decreases over time, potentially increasing the value.
Right. It's becoming a really popular strategy, especially among meme coins.
Okay, so we've covered Dogecoin, Pepe, Dog with Hat, Popcat, Shiba Inu, and now Myro. That's a lot.
It is, and we've barely scratched the surface. It's a wild, constantly evolving world.
But let's take a step back for a second. What does this rise of meme coins tell us about the future of finance and the internet?
I think it's a sign that, the lines between finance, entertainment, and internet culture are blurring. Meme coins are tapping into something, well, deeper than just financial speculation. They're tapping into shared online experiences, humor, community.
It's like a whole new way of thinking about value and investment. It's not just about, numbers on a screen. It's about shared experiences and cultural relevance.
Exactly. And it's only going to get more interesting from here. As the metaverse develops and our online lives become more intertwined with our financial lives, I think we'll see even more creative ways for, meme culture to shape the financial landscape.
So what's the takeaway for someone new to this? What should they keep in mind?
Well, first and foremost, this is a highly speculative market. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and be prepared for volatility. Do your research. Look beyond the meme itself. And most importantly, have fun. Meme coins can be a really fun way to learn about crypto, but approach it with caution.
Great advice. It seems like meme coins are here to stay.
Yeah.
It'll be an exciting ride to see how they continue to evolve. I mean, it's just incredible to think that something that started as a joke could actually have this big of an impact on finance.
It really does say a lot about the power of the internet,
Yep.
how it's changing, how we view, money, community, even humor.
And we were talking about Myro before and their meme to earn thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pretty smart way to, to use all that creativity from the meme community and turn it into something valuable.
For sure. And, it'll be interesting to see how that model, evolves. Will other projects do similar things? Will making memes become a real job for people? So many questions about the future of work and online communities,
It's like we're watching the birth of a whole new economy, a meme economy.
Yeah, exactly. And like any economy, There will be winners and losers. Some meme coins will like fade away and others will keep growing.
So for our listener, who's been listening to us talk about all these different meme coins, what's the main takeaway? How can they figure this space out? Maybe find the next big thing.
Well, that's the million-dollar question, right?
Yeah.
I don't have a crystal ball, but I think one of the most important things is to stay informed. Keep up with trends, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
And don't forget to have fun. I
Yeah.
mean, this is a space where, humor and creativity are like everything. It's okay to be skeptical, but
Mhm.
you got to keep an open mind. I mean, who'd have thought a dog meme could become worth billions?
I know, right? So as we finish up our deep dive into meme coins, I'll leave you with this. Keep exploring, be curious, and remember, in the meme coin world, anything is possible.
Well said. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the world of meme coins. We'll see you next time.